Hey guys, welcome to CodeOrCode. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install Tailwind CSS to your React project. So I already have a basic application. It doesn't have any critical functionality. It shows only the hello world, and this React UI server is up on the browser. You can see it shows only hello world. So let's install the Tailwind. So just open a new tab and search for Tailwind CSS. Click the first link and click the get started. Okay, and click the okay, it's already clicked, and go to the third option, which is framework guide, and search for create React app. So to install the Tailwind we have to follow this total 6 steps. So the first step is the create your project. So we already have done this. It means the just create the React app, which you already have done. And the second one is to install this Tailwind CSS under the dev dependency. So let's go to the terminal. If the server is up, then just simply kill it and paste the first command and install. Once the installation is done, you can see under the dev dependency we have this Tailwind CSS, this package. And now the second command is to create the Tailwind configuration.js file. Let's create this. Okay, so this configuration file is created, and third step, just simply copy the entire configuration and paste it. So let me explain you what it does. It says like all the files and folders, means subfolder and the file under this src folder, source folder, and which are having like the files are having js and jsx, tx and tsx extension will be supported by the Tailwind. So we are almost done, and the main thing is just copy these directives and paste it in the index.css file. I don't need this, just simply I'll remove it and I'll paste, and we are done. So let's bring up the server, npm run start. Okay, so we are good. Now let's see the Tailwind is successfully installed or not. So in the hello world, I'll add some classes like text center, text 6xl. Wow, it's working fine. We'll add some more text blue 700. So as you can see, the Tailwind says is successfully installed to our project. If you still find any difficulty, just put a comment and surely I'll help you to fix that issue. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe this channel.